Guests decide how they feel about your hotel in the first 7 seconds. Want to know how to win them over instantly? In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful ways to make a fantastic first impression at the front desk, every single time. Tip 1. Professional appearance and clean environment. First impressions start with what guests see. Are you well groomed? Is your uniform neat? Is the desk clutter-free? If not, they've already made a judgment. Tip 2. Warm and personal greeting. A sincere welcome, with eye contact and a smile sets the tone. Add their name if you know it, and you've just turned a stranger into a guest. Tip 3. Positive and present attitude. Be fully present. Guests feel it when you're distracted or stressed. Even during busy hours, acknowledge every guest with a smile or "I'll be right with you." Tip 4. Add a personal touch. Want to stand out? Offer a genuine compliment. Mention their stylish luggage or their cool jacket. Just keep it professional and real. So remember, first impressions are built from how you look, how you speak, and how you make people feel. Be polished, present, and personal. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post weekly hospitality tips to help you become the front desk superstar every hotel wants.